morning and welcome back to Morning Markets from True Potential. Paul Durrans, Investment Director. If we start by looking at equity market returns from yesterday, global equities were very strong with European and UK stocks leading the way. Sectors such as basic materials, oil and gas and financials did very well, with some companies reporting strong earnings for Q4 2021. US equities also rallied late afternoon. Nothing really behind the rally, but investors were talking about buying the dip after some weakness in January. We heard from Alphabet. They reported their latest earnings, which were very strong. Revenues far stronger than analysts were expecting, and their shares rallied 9%. Overnight, Japanese equities were also very strong, so a good day yesterday for equity markets. In terms of economic data, what caught my eye was the UK PMI manufacturing survey data. This is an excellent, up-to-date survey that investors look at because it allows you to see how businesses are coping in the current environment. A reading above 50 illustrates that businesses are expanding, and below 50 they're contracting. The reading came in at 57.3, so very good and higher than expected. If we dig into the underlying components, we saw production rise to a 6-month high, and what they were doing was employing more staff to help bring down the backlogs that they've been suffering in recent months. New orders slightly dipped, but that was outweighed by improvements in export numbers, showing that international demand for UK goods is healthy. If we looked at the prices numbers, it shows that we're starting to see the price for what manufacturers are paying for goods actually fall. And those falls in input prices is being passed on to consumers, so the output prices are actually easing. And this is important because it feeds into inflation. Inflation, we've discussed a number of times over the past few months. It's currently elevated at 5.4%, which is higher than the 2% target which the Bank of England set. So if we're seeing supply chains improve, we're seeing prices that manufacturers are paying and passing on to consumers, that should help support the narrative that inflation will ease throughout the year. That is quite timely in terms of what's coming up on Thursday. We have the Bank of England meeting where they're expected to raise interest rates to 0.5% from 0.25% in order to help ensure that those inflation or prices begin to ease towards their target level. That's everything from us today. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Subscribing to the True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to the channel on your desktop or through the YouTube app on your phone and click the subscribe button. You can then press the notification bell symbol if you wish to be notified as and when new videos are released. Doing this is a great way to keep yourself updated with market developments and personal finance insights. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and we look forward to continuing to help you do more with your money.